Let's go through how to add billable items to a job, complete the job using the checkout wizard, and issue an invoice to a client, all in the ServiceM8 app. With the job open, tap Billing. Billing is where you add a description of the work that was done and bill the invoice. Start by tapping Work Completed and type or dictate a description of work you want to show on the invoice. This can be brief or detailed. Fixed all issues requested by the client. Next, we'll add what to charge the client for. Depending on your industry, you may want to charge for individual labour and material items, a total of labour and materials, or service-based. To add an item, tap Add Item/Service. If ServiceM8 is connected with an accounting package, or you've imported an item list, you can select from these items by searching or browsing. If not, you can create a new item by tapping New Item and filling in the item details and price. You can also charge for labour based on how long you've been on site. Tap Smart Labour, select a rounding, then tap Set Labour. Here, you can tap Invoice to preview how the invoice will look. Okay, now to complete the job and invoice the client. Go back to Billing, back to the job card, then tap Checkout. This opens the Job Checkout wizard, which streamlines the process of completing the job and invoicing. First, switch the job to Completed. Make sure Produce Invoice is switched on, then tap Finish. This completes the job and produces the invoice, ready to send to the client. If you haven't already, you can get the client to sign off the work here. Now, to email the invoice, tap the send icon in the top right, then tap Email Invoice. ServiceM8 populates the client's details, subject line, and body of the email. You can add any photos or attachments saved to the job diary or edit the message. Once you're happy, tap Send to email the invoice. The job status has now changed to completed and the invoice issued to the client.